Yo, y'all can't see me. What's happening? It's your dog, man. Big B-Lo, Mr. Ain't It Man himself. And my dog Leo Ain't It Man making his first appearance, man, on the channel, I think. But we'll get into that later. Yeah, so, y'all know how we start off. First of all, thank you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being here. Thank you for taking time out of your busy day to check on me to see what I got going on in my little life. Appreciate all the subs. Appreciate all the likes. Wish y'all would comment a little more, but hey, we'll get there. We'll get there. We ain't stressing it. But yeah, man, it is Monday, and I'm about to take a little trip, man. Well, we about to take a little trip. Me and Ash about to take a little trip up to up near Nashville. I need to go holler at my dog, man. And yeah, he said we're gonna get some footage while we up there. It's gonna be a one-day thing. It's gonna be a turnaround thing. I ain't gonna say one day. It's gonna be a turnaround thing. Go up here, come back. I mean, go up here, do what we gotta do. Turn around, come back, and yeah, yeah, it's gonna be that. So, yeah, man, glad y'all here. Probably get us a little road footage, you know what I'm saying, while we on the road or whatever, doing what we do. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoying the footage. That's first. Like, I hope y'all enjoying the footage. With MayRose so far with the cars. Now we finna do, you know what I'm saying, just something different. Finna step outside, do something a little different. Yeah. So we in this old 4Runner thing, man. Finna get up that road in the 4Runner. You know what I'm saying? And yeah. So man, y'all wish us safe travels, man. Hopefully, man, we don't run across nothing crazy, and we can go ahead and get out there, get back safely, unharmed, undamaged. All that good stuff right there, man. Traveling grace. Y'all give us a little traveling grace. So, yeah. Let me go ahead and make sure everything together before we leave, and catch y'all in a second. Yo, man, we done made it out here to our destination almost, man. We out here, we chilling. Talking to this fool on the phone. But yeah, Ashley needed to stop at Dollar General, man. So we chilling at Dollar General right now, waiting for her to come out, and then we gonna pull up on my dog. And man, we gonna see what he got for me. We gonna see what he got for me, man. He got road rage right now. We gonna see what he got for me, and we gonna get some footage, man. We gonna do some cinematics. We gonna get some. We gonna, know what I'm saying, do a little eating. We gonna, know what I'm saying, do that thing. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, that's what we gonna do. So, I don't know exactly where we are, but yeah, it don't matter. I'm finna go meet him, and then, like I said, I'm gonna show y'all what he got for me. I'm gonna show y'all what, you know what I'm saying, what made me come out here. Like, why was this trip even, you know what I'm saying, like, why did this trip happen? So I'm gonna show y'all that, and then, yeah, man, we're gonna get to it. So let me go ahead and get back on this road as soon as she come out here, and I'll hit y'all in a second, man. By the time I, you know what I'm saying, do this right here, we'll be where we need to be. You know what I'm saying? For y'all anyway. For me, it's gonna take a little while, but y'all know how I go. Yeah. Oh shit. Yeah. They got a tent back here, fool?
It's still from when I was at the shop. At the show. What up, my boy?
What's going on, dog? Y'all alright?
Yeah.
Me and my dog Boogie, man.
What up?
I got Boogie up here. Man, Boogie brought me some. Look what Boogie brought me.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, my friend going to Best Buy. I got a yeah, I guess we'll just go in the Best Buy, do whatever we gonna do.
We're gonna get something.
Get the rest of the stuff, and
maybe
then
they'll know what it is when we, you know what I'm saying?
Well, probably not. But we're gonna go in there and get it, and then once we get to what Drake said.
It's right over there.
Okay. Yeah, once we get to the restaurant, we'll reveal, we'll get everything going what we got going on, and yeah. So let me go on here, man, because we on
Demon time.
You gotta hurry up and get back. But yeah. So let me grab my shoes and go on here. You going in?
She ain't going in.
You going in?
Where?
In Best Buy.
I can't.
Yeah. Yeah. So let me do this. Hit y'all right back. Yo, so I don't know.
Overdo it, so I'm gonna just do wings and I'm just gonna do any cheeseburgers.
I don't know exactly how much of this music y'all can hear, but yeah, man, we sitting here at Drake's, man. Sitting here at Drake's, and so the real reason for this trip was I had to come meet my dog Boogie, man. He told me that he liked what I'm doing with my content, but I need to enhance it. I need to enhance my content, man. So he was like, I got you. I'm gonna help you enhance your content. I'm gonna help you do what you need to do. So first, what we need to do to enhance his content is the sound quality. So you need to, you know what I'm saying, get the sound quality up or whatever. And I got some tools here that I can help you do that with, and it's gonna be all in one. So, without further ado, Boogie, you wanna show them what we got going on over here? And this is my dog, man. This was a gift. Oh, you want me to open it up? You're supposed to show me, cause I don't know what I'm doing. Ah, that's a little case.
That's for the GoPro mount.
Okay. Pretty sure y'all don't know what this is, but it's DJI. Ah, this okay. Now that's why I was telling you to do it, because I don't want to drop nothing. I already said it's sensitive. I don't even know how to take it out. Just pull it out. Ah, okay. Bam. So that's what we got, man. We got the Osmo Pocket 2, man. He said he wasn't using it no more. You know what I'm saying? He got the Pocket 3. I was trying to give me the old Pocket 3 over there, man. He didn't wanna give me the Pocket 3, so he didn't want to give me his new camera. You know what I'm saying? He wanted to give me a camera, but not the new one. You know what I'm saying? But it's all good, though, yeah. Yeah. Gotta be thankful now, yeah, you know. Cause he could have told me he wouldn't give me this one either. I'ma save it, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'ma save it. I ain't gonna worry about it. But yeah, man, we the Pocket 2. I mean, I don't really know too much what to say about it. You know what I'm saying? What we about to do though, we about to switch from this camera to a Boogie camera, man, because he gonna do all the editing and good stuff. So let me set this down, and yeah, we're gonna talk on his camera. I guess get more in depth with it.